Our point was to request them to. I know how much efforts it takes to complete a preparation of a paper, and something which was bothering me was I mailed them. There was no committee there. Our consortium, are you preparing for CLAT exam 2027, which is going to be conducted on 6th of December 2026? This video is going to be very important for you. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video. In that video, I wanted to request the consortium of NLU that since you have been very generous and since you have made a committee, should we expect a response? The reason behind me asking the consortium was there are lakhs of students who are going to sit for this paper. Looking at the past trends in our society, the paper leaking, the paper being cancelled, the paper questions being a problem, I thought let's ask them. Let's formally request them also. Let's ask them through our YouTube channel also. It was a good hit. We were the first one to make this video, and now each and every educator is making a video on it and they are asking question as well. I am very happy. I am not telling anyone to I'm not pinpointing anyone, but yes, we took the initiative, we started it, and we are so happy that yes, it has come to a good point now that the question are being asked. There is something which I did again, and in this today's video, I will tell you what I did. So, we already know that on our consortium of NLU an expert committee was formed, and there were 4 points given in that. What reference would we take is the quality of the question, the structure of the paper, the syllabus of the entrance exam, and one more thing that was important, that review the other entrance which are more better, like your SLSAT and LNAT exam, which is for your US and UK. So it was a very good thing. The committee's decisions are very good. To the consortium making a committee is very good thing, and something which was bothering me was the answer. We requested something. I thought we would get a quick response, but I thought let's do it in a more professional way. So there is something that I also did. I mailed them. I mailed to CLAT Consortium of NLU to their official email account. I told them, dear sir, madam, I am writing on behalf of our academic team and student mentorship committee regarding the proposed reforms for CLAT UG and PG examination. We have been following the updates from expert committee chaired by ma'am concerning medium and long-term structural changes to the papers. I also told them, as educators, we appreciate the consortium effort because yes, it is a good thing. There are so many papers that are being leaked. There are so many papers in which problems are occurring, but yes, there was no committee there. Our consortium made a committee, which is a very good thing, generous of them. So we appreciate the consortium efforts to review global benchmark and enhance the quality of examination. The public consultation period conducted on November 2025 and the reforms are sailed by CLAT 2027. Our students and faculty are seeking a clarity on the roadmap ahead. Me doing this was the reason behind. From the very first day I made that video with Atul sir, people were asking us questions which were very concerned because they might have heard from someone else कि paper change हो जाएगा. किन्हीं ने उन लोगों को ये भी चीज़ बोली कि आपके पास कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, कहीं पे कोई न्यूज़ ही नहीं. अब the most important question that is coming in my mind is, why are you the one who will tell that there will be no change? Because we can see it. We can see it. If I go to the consortium of NLU side, expert committee, a committee is formed. Now, question quality, the structure of paper, the syllabus of entrance examination, the point of reference are there. So no one can tell you 100% sure, they can never be 100% sure that there will be no change. But since a committee is formed, there might be no changes, there might be changes, but it is the duty of me as an educator to ask them, is there a possible change? Because there are so many students behind me who trust in me for their CLAT 2026 paper, and I as an educator don't want to lose their trust. I know it is very difficult to attempt a paper. I know the path is very rigorous. I know how much efforts it takes to complete a preparation of a paper. And at the end day, when you go and sit on that bench, something changes and all your preparation, all the things that you did for last 1 year, 6 months, they shatter in a second. And that feeling is something that I already know. It happened with me also few years back with some other paper, but in this, if we have an option to ask, we will ask. So my mail, the mail that I made, I requested them कि we would be grateful for an guidance regarding our transition timeline. Will there be any interim or changes to the questions format in the upcoming cycle to prepare students for CLAT 2027 FIB? Reason behind the question quality was mentioned. Now you can enhance the question quality because in the fourth point we saw UK and US paper respectively. Obviously I saw their papers. The paper's language was good. The pattern was same. We have multiple subjects in our CLAT, 5 subjects. The question were there also, but the quality of questions were good. Yes, they were good. So I asked them, syllabus and blueprint. Now you might hear from so many people there is no change in the syllabus because the consortium has already given you the syllabus. Now let me tell you something again. It is mentioned the structure of the paper, the syllabus of the entrance examination. Syllabus of the entrance examination means there might be an addition, there might be a subtraction. It is possible. If we see UG and PG syllabus, if you go down and see our undergraduation syllabus and guide, we have this syllabus, and this syllabus is not broad enough. Not each and everything is mentioned, because if I talk about logical reasoning also, you will find some things that are missing. Analytical part comes. We have seen this in the last year paper also. Analytical part comes. Your legal reasoning part might be possible if the committee is formed with very good people. They might give us a broad structure of a syllabus. They will give us is what I want them to give us, because a student who has just completed his class 12 needs a bigger reality. Us as an educators to prepare that students need a better clarity, because 92,000 plus students sat in 2025 paper, and in this December paper I think there will be lakh plus students who will sit there. And these lakh plus students need a clarity on their syllabus part. Yes, you have given us 5 things: legal, logical, quantitative. We have these things. We have English, cons, we have each thing, 5 parts. Yes, we know. But still, what would come in that 5 parts? We need a better clarity. So I asked them in a very formal way, will we have, when can we expect the release of the modified syllabus or a sample question type to help us align the preparation material, so that our students who are with us, who believe in us, can get a good rank, can prepare themselves for the worst also. But if we have these answers, they will prepare for the best and sit in their top NLUs. Our goal is to ensure our students are academically prepared for any shift in the examinations philosophy. Any insight you can share would be valuable to our faculty and law aspirants. Thank you for your time and your dedication to refining legal education in India. We look forward for your response. Me putting that last line was because none of the other paper who are in the question in the recent days had this option of an committee. Me, who made that video with my fellow educator, our point was to request them to give us a clarity. I know we are no one to ask question, but if we can ask a question, we should definitely ask the question. And yes, the consortium did a very good thing for making that particular committee. We appreciate them. It was never our intention, which has been portrayed by many other people, that they made a video unknowingly anything. There is no change, there will be no change, you just prepare for your paper. But no, if there is a change, we should know it now. And let's see what possible thing my email, a short email. I wanted to make it very professional. I made a very small email, ask them the basic things. Now there is one more thing which has been mentioned there, and I have not included it in the mail, was this, that the review comparable examinations like LSNET and LNAT in UK US, the reason behind me not putting that was that they are reviewing on them. Now we know each and every year the paper pattern is same, but the question quality, you see a little bit over the past years, you will see a change. Yes, there were questions were good, the passages were good, and they are trying to make it more comparable. Yes, why not? 27 NLUs, 26 you get in through the CLAT paper. NLU stand out in the market. There should be a good question paper, so that refined amount of students, that small amount of seats, they are the best of India's future. And yes, being an advocate is being an advocate or a judge, being in a legal profession is required, and you have to be best for it. And why not? Why are we afraid to give a paper which has a better quality? So these were the things that I as an educator thought, and because of my students being so concerned listening at whatever is there in the market, they ask questions and I will reply each my students. So I told them, let me do something. So I mailed them. Now I am waiting for the response. You should also wait for the response. I will come again with yet another video where if I get the response, or if somehow we get connected to the consortium, I know they will give a response. I know consortium will give a response. They might be, they reply us and they will tell us, wait for it, we are coming with it. They will tell us something. I know, in my heart, I know they will give us a reply, and we will see what particular reply we can expect. Also, for all the students who are preparing for the CLAT paper, ADDA 247 has got you a new batch which is going to start on 17th of this month, and you can go and scroll our ADDA 247 app also and web also. In all courses part you will find UG and PG entrances, you will find law entrance 5 years and 3 years LLB, CLAT, and in that CLAT you will find our Ranker 2.0 and Rankers Pro 2.0. Now Ranker 2.0 has e-books, and Ranker 2.0 you will get physical books at your doorstep. If you want to purchase this particular course, you can click on buy now. You can use my code HARSH. You can enter this code and you will get it in 9588 only. You will also be guided by me throughout your paper. From day one you enroll in my coupon code name. The day one starts my personal mentorship, and till the seat that you secured and till the doorstep of your National Law University, you will be guided by me. And after that also, I will be there for you, because I always be there for my students, and I keep on doing certain things that is required for my students. A mail was something that I thought should be given to the consortium of NLU, so that we could get a good response, or we might be possible. We have this 1% of, I have this 1% of hope that if we get a response, there could be a clearer picture from my students who are appearing for this paper. It is very important also. I have been to a part where my competitive exam was somewhere stuck in the middle because of that some marks, or if I would have known something much better. I know this feeling, and since we are 6 months ahead of our 6 months to our paper, we should know these things, we should ask this, and if not today, tomorrow, but the hope is still there. So I will wait for it, and I will come again with another video. Also, there are certain things going out in the market that there is no change, there is nothing to be worried about. If you trust me, I will say this on record, yes, there will be a change. Not in your part. The syllabus will be there. A broader syllabus can come. I'm not telling they will remove quants, or they will not put any GK GS question, or they will not put any logical reasoning question. all these things are the basics, they will come, but something might get edited. There are amendments, there might be amendment in this particular syllabus as well. We are seeing from past so many years that passage based question is coming. Passage based question is what I am also telling will come, but the quality of that passage, there might be possible more passage might come and less question will be there, or vice versa. But we should know if we have an option. If we didn't have an option, I wouldn't have made the video in the first place. Nobody else would have made the video in the first place, and nobody else would have done this thing also, that they misguide their student. I am not pinpointing anybody, I am just concerned, and if I am concerned, I can do each and everything that is in my hands, and in my hands that I can send them a mail, I send them a mail. Let's see what reply we get, and I sent it through Adda Education email ID and my email ID. Let's see what response we got. Till then, stay tuned. If you need any guidance, you can connect with me also. I will share you my Telegram ID. You can just connect with me on my Telegram. And I will also formally introduce myself. My name is Advocate Harsh Chotrani, and I deal with a logical reasoning part in our CLAT paper and other law entrance also. I am an alumni to GNLU, and this is my Telegram ID @HARSH838. If you want to ask anything, you can text me here on Telegram and we can connect it. We can be connected. Also, this is my mail ID, harshchotrani@adda247.com, and it is harsh.chotrani. So harshchotrani@adda247.com is my email ID. You can mail me also. Telegram is also available. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what response we get. And don't worry, do your preparation. One more thing which I will tell you: prepare for the worst, prepare for the best, because you are not getting to any regular university, you are getting into an NLU that stand outs in India, and yes, you should expect to be the best of the best.